here is the marine forecast. For the following marine locations: Laguna Madre from the port of Brownsville to the Arroyo Colorado, and Laguna Madre from the Arroyo Colorado to 5 nautical miles north of Port Mansfield, Texas. Tropical storm warning in effect. West of tonight, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots becoming west 15 to 20 knots after midnight. A light chop on the bay building to choppy after midnight. Showers and thunderstorms. Saturday, tropical storm conditions expected. West winds 25 to 35 knots with gusts to around 45 knots becoming southwest 40 to 50 knots with gusts to around 65 knots in the afternoon. Very rough on the bay. Showers and thunderstorms.